Mosquitoes, tiny but mighty buggers. Mosquitoes are those pesky bugs that buzz around and bite us. Let's learn more about them. What are mosquitoes? Mosquitoes are small insects with long, thin bodies and wings. They are usually found near water and thrive in warm places. Bite, bite, bite. Female mosquitoes are the ones that bite us. They need blood to lay their eggs. When they bite, they use their special mouth parts to suck our blood. Itchy bites. When a mosquito bites, it injects a tiny bit of its saliva into our skin. Our bodies react to this saliva, causing the area to swell and itch. Disease carriers. Mosquitoes can carry and spread diseases like malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus. That's why it's important to protect ourselves from mosquito bites, especially in places where these diseases are common. Mosquito control. There are ways to control mosquitoes and reduce the risk of bites. Removing standing water where mosquitoes lay eggs. Using mosquito repellent when spending time outdoors. Wearing long sleeves and pants in mosquito-prone areas. Importance in nature. Despite being annoying to us, mosquitoes play a role in the ecosystem. They are food for birds, bats, and other insects. While mosquitoes can be a nuisance, there are ways to protect ourselves and keep them under control. Stay bite-free and enjoy the outdoors safely.